It's Valentine's Day, so let's try out the new Chobani creamer. The chocolate covered strawberry. Let's test this out. Good morning, lovelies, and welcome back to another vlog. It is Saturday. Happy Saturday. I hope you guys are having a great day so far. Today is a special day. It is Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to all my lovelies out there. I hope you guys have a great day. Whether you're single or in a relationship, go out and treat yourself. Today's the day. Also, you should be able to treat yourself any other day of the week. Same thing with your partner, not just on Valentine's Day. But I will take any opportunity I can to celebrate love because I'm a cheeseball. Anyway, like you guys saw, we woke up a little while ago, had some breakfast, coffee, and now we just got ready and we are getting ready to head out. We are having some lunch at Dana Point. I'm not sure exactly where we're going because it is a surprise, but I figured I'd hop on the camera and take you guys with us for a little Valentine's Day adventure. So before we head out, let's do a quick fit of the day, shall we? Okay, so this set is just a blazer and skirt set from Amazon. I got my high socks on because I will be wearing my thigh-high boots. I have an undershirt right here, which is kind of like a rolled up turtleneck, a light turtleneck because it is freezing outside. This one is from Uniqlo. Necklace is the usual suspect. Same thing for the earrings, usual suspect from Amazon. And then I'll be wearing my black thigh-high boots. On that note, let's get ready to head out and then I'll keep you guys posted for any updates along the way. Sorry guys, I put my boots on and it was just too cute not to show you guys. Do we like it? Is it a vibe? They're thigh high, but then the back is kind of open. So it's kind of like a little sexy vibe, no? The only thing is I'm not used to wearing skirts and I really hope that my butt doesn't pop through, but we'll just try to be extra careful today. On that note, let's head out, shall we? Good morning, lovelies, and happy Sunday. It is now the next day, so you can probably tell I'm just making my coffee real quick for the morning so we can get caffeinated and get the day started. Like you guys saw yesterday, we got the new Chobani creamer. It's the limited edition. I think it's for Valentine's Day, the chocolate covered strawberry. You guys, I was very pleasantly surprised. I thought it wasn't gonna taste good. Turns out it's one of my favorite creamers so far, aside from the cookie butter one. So if you've yet to try it, highly recommend. I give this a 9.5 out of 10, honestly. It reminds me of when you go to Korea and you go get the sachet or packs of coffee and then you add the strawberry milk to it. That's exactly what it tastes like. I thought there was gonna be a stronger flavor of chocolate, which there isn't. It's more strawberry forward, which I'm so happy about. So if you like strawberry and strawberry Nesquik, highly recommend. That's exactly what it tastes like. Like you guys saw yesterday, we went out to Dana Point, had some lunch, walked around the boardwalk, looked at the ocean view, picked up a couple of sweet goodies from the Saint-Honoré or Saint-Honoré Cafe, which was just a really cute little shop with a few pastry selections and coffee. They had the best mocha latte that I've ever had. Alex got a latte and asked me if I wanted anything. And I was like, no, I'm good. And then I had a sip of his latte and I regretted my decision. It tasted like chocolate milk. It was so good. And then after that, we came home, chilled, and watched the new How to Train Your Dragon movie. Although it's not new, it's new to Netflix. So highly recommend if you've yet to watch it. It's the live action version. You guys, my heart is so full. It was so good. I love that movie and the soundtrack is amazing. So today, as you guys know, today is Sunday and Sundays are the reset days. So we are gonna do the usual things. I started with laundry already. I'll do my meal prep a little bit later and I'll show you guys what we're doing for this week. After that, we have a couple things that we need to do around the house, clean up, all of the usual adult boring stuff. And then we are starting on some very exciting paperwork. So we're gonna do that. And as per usual, I'll keep you guys posted for any updates along the way. I'm currently dealing with an upper respiratory infection, which is kicking my butt, and I'm on antibiotics, so your girl is going through it. So please excuse me if I don't hop back on the camera or if the filming is kind of sporadic and you don't hear me much, that is why. But I hope you guys had a great weekend and a great Valentine's Day, whether you're single or in a relationship. I hope you were able to treat yourself and do some fun things for yourself. On that note, let me drink my coffee, caffeinate, and then I'll catch you guys in a few. All right, lovelies, as you can probably tell, it is a while later, all caps. Enter the SpongeBob sound clip, an eternity later. Yeah. If you know, you know. Like you guys saw, I was able to finish up my meal prep. I also did my laundry, cleaned up around the house. We also finished up our paperwork, so we did our taxes and then officially did our prenup. Our prenup is officially done, which is amazing. I feel so relieved. If any of you guys are getting married anytime soon and you are thinking about getting a prenup, highly recommend trying the website Hello Prenup or The First. They're both really good options, but we went with Hello Prenup and it was seamless, so easy, super informative, and a very easy and user-friendly service. So we got that out of the way, which is super nice. Now we just have to work on getting our marriage license. So things are coming together, which is so exciting. We also went to Costco real quick to grab a couple things that I wasn't able to grab on Friday. And now, as you can tell, I just hopped out of the shower. I am exhausted, you guys. This upper respiratory infection is kicking my butt. I can't, I have no energy. I'm so fatigued. I'm honestly so sorry for the lack of a vlog this weekend, but I just keep getting sick. I don't know what it is about my job, but I've been getting sick every month or every other month. It's crazy. Anyway, wish me luck, but I still wanted to hop on the camera real quick just to wrap up the vlog, just in case I don't hop back on later. And of course, as per usual, I just wanted to thank you guys for watching the vlog and for supporting the channel. I love you guys so, so much, and I'll see you guys for the next vlog next week. Love you. Bye.